Today children tab 1 year, 2 year, 3 year and they are scrolling like this. Right? Who introduced them to the tab? Parents. Why did parents introduce them to the device? Because to make their life better. Who's addicted? Parents or kids? Because parents are also addicted. No. Now the parent wants to feed the child and the child is not opening the mouth. So the best way for the child to be fed is put a screen in front of the child and the child will be so engrossed in the cartoon and suddenly mother will start feeding. You have seen? The child is with the tab. What is going in his mouth he doesn't know. But good no for the mother. At least the child is getting food. However, and the addiction starts. The device starts. The judgment starts. All the training has begun. You were born alive and fearless. Right? But then the environment makes you limited. It starts training on you. It starts influencing you. What's the word? 5 people influence. 5 people influence. Now you say, why 5 people? I just like 5. That's why. Okay, it could be 6 people influence, 7 people influence, it could be also 15 people influence. But we say 5 people is the main people who have influenced you. And then as you go through school, imagine your childhood. What happened to you? What happened when you were young in school? You thought you went to school full excited and happy and suddenly teacher said, you cannot ask so many questions. You are smiling too much. You are talking too much. Ma'am, I want to go to the washroom. No, you cannot go to the washroom so much. What? You have to control. You don't even have control over when you can do your nature's call. Everything is controlled by others. How you have to walk, talk, sleep, eat, study, da-da-da. So the child who is alive and fearless is suddenly disciplined. What's the word? Disciplined. On the name of discipline, we remove them from who they are born to be and we install what we want them to be. And if they obey, good child. And then the parents say, my child is so obedient. Such a nice, he does everything I tell him. You know who does everything you tell him? Puppy, dogs. You have made your child a dog, a puppy. Tommy oot, Tommy fetch, Tommy sit, Tommy eat, Tommy will do homework now, Tommy will go to sleep. And sometimes when guests come to your home, what do we do with kids? Tinker work, uncle ne samjhao. Tommy dance. Tommy will now do a show in front of guest. Beta, wo wala gana jara suna ke dikha. Or what Tommy dances? No, Tommy just dance, Tommy. So get a dog, no then. Why have kids? True or false? And then the same parents say, my son does not talk to other people. He is so introvert. He never goes out and talks to people. You have made him introvert. That's why he is introvert. And some parents say, my child doesn't come only home. He is always out. Because you are never home. So your child goes out. What does he sit home and do? Talk to walls. So parents are not home. The child goes out. He goes here, there, everywhere. Roaming around. Because parents have no time. This is your childhood, by the way. Parents, this is your childhood, not your child's childhood. This is what happened to you. You were trained, tamed. I use the word. What's the word? Tamed. Out of your alive and fearless you.